Ghana and Singapore have just entered into a groundbreaking partnership that's seeing Ghana develop on several levels. Ghana's President John Mahama's recent working visit to Singapore was not just a mere one. It has unlocked a treasure trove of opportunities, positioning Ghana as a beacon of progress, not just mere infrastructural development. Through the high-level engagement and strategic partnerships, the working visit has yielded 10 transformative investment deals worth over $1 billion, and this is noteworthy, as I'll be coming through each and every one of these initiatives that's going to see a reshape in Ghana's economy, infrastructure, and global standing. As I always do on this channel, I'm bringing you this very insightful information. Let's dive deep into the 10 game-changing outcomes that was yielded from the Ghana-Singapore partnership. Before we delve deeper, kindly hit the like button and also subscribe to this channel, as I always bring you insightful information. Let's delve into this exciting update. President John Mahama's visit to Singapore was a bold step towards redefining Ghana's future. It was accompanied by a high-powered delegation, and the president engaged with Singapore's top leaders and industry giants. But little did we know the extent of this partnership. It is yielding immense benefits, and I'll be touching on each one in this video. The agreements have all been signed during the visit and reflects a shared commitment to excellence, drawing inspiration from Singapore's remarkable journey as a global economic powerhouse. Now, these deals are as follows. At number 1, the partnership yielded a $200 million food processing revolutionary project. One of the most exciting outcomes of this visit is the massive investments in Ghana's agriculture and food processing sectors. A leading global agribusiness has now committed $200 million to establish cutting-edge projects, including a state-of-the-art pasta processing plant with a capacity of 43,000 metric tons annually. It is set to commence operations next year. Additionally, new feed processing facilities for poultry and agriculture will also bolster Ghana's food security and agricultural exports. These initiatives are expected to create approximately 4,000 direct and indirect jobs, empowering the local communities and strengthening Ghana's position in the global food market. This is a bold step towards industrialization in Ghana, and this partnership is making it possible. At number 2, the deal to make Ghana a world-class hospitality destination was signed between Ghana and Singapore. Ghana is now poised to become West Africa's premier destination for conferences and tourism. Now, thanks to a $300 million investment in a groundbreaking hospitality project, we are to see this dream come to life. It will be a renowned international hospitality brand that will be constructing this ultra-modern, eco-friendly 5-star hotel, complete with a grand shopping mall, showcasing local and international brands and world-class convention center. And Singapore has not only pledged the commitment but also signed the deal with Ghana to see this through. The iconic development will attract global events, boost tourism, and create thousands of jobs in hospitality and retail. As most of you know, President John Mahama is hoping to create a new city that will be linking the Volta Lake, and that will be a splendid location for this project. It is blending sustainability with luxury. The project will elevate Ghana's global appeal and drive economic growth through tourism and commerce. At number 3, we have the 10,000 capacity student hostel at the University of Ghana, which I brought to you on this channel, and that's just one piece of the pie. Education is a cornerstone of progress, and Ghana is taking a giant leap forward with this 10,000 capacity student hostel at the University of Ghana, and this is in partnership with Singapore. The modern facility will provide comfortable, secure accommodation for students, enabling them to focus on their studies and contribute to Ghana's intellectual capital. By addressing the critical need for quality housing, this project will enhance the university's capacity to attract top talent from across Africa and beyond. It's also a testament to Ghana's commitment to nurturing the next generation of leaders, innovators, and thinkers who will drive the continent's development. At number 4, we have a splendid project, which is the strengthening of airport security in Ghana by Singapore. Safety and security is paramount in a globalized world, and Ghana is stepping up with an ambitious project to enhance security at the Kotoka International Airport. The new state-of-the-art scanners and security systems all align with the latest global standards and will be provided by Singapore's technological minds. It will be installed to combat smuggling and drug trafficking. This initiative is a cornerstone of the partnership between Ghana and Singapore. It will be strengthening Ghana's aviation sector as well as reinforcing its reputation as a trusted hub for international travel and trade, as Ghana is already prioritizing the aviation sector for some years now, and this partnership is laying further foundations for a secure and prosperous future. At number 5, we have the revitalization of the Tema Port and Dry Dock. Ghana's maritime industry is also set for a major transformation with this strategic partnership to expand the Tema Port and revive the Tema Dry Dock. These upgrades will increase the port's capacity to handle larger vessels, streamline the country's trade, and also boost Ghana's role as a maritime gateway in West Africa. The revitalized dry dock will support ship repairs and also maintenance, creating jobs and attracting international shipping companies. This project underscores Ghana's ambition to become a regional leader in the maritime logistics sector, driving economic growth and global competitiveness. At number 6, we have a new jetty for energy security. Energy is the lifeblood of a modern economy, and Singapore knows this as well. This partnership will be Singapore helping Ghana to secure the future with the construction of new jetty dedicated to oil ships. The infrastructure will also enhance efficiency of oil imports and exports, ensuring a stable energy supply to power industries and households. And by strengthening the country's energy infrastructure, Ghana is positioning itself as a reliable partner in the global energy market while creating jobs and fostering economic resilience. This project is a critical step towards energy security and sustainable development. At number 7, we have the building of durable roads. Quality infrastructure in terms of road is the backbone of progress, and Ghana has been combating this for a while now, building both quality and deployable roads, and this project will be ensuring that only the former stands, with Ghana collaborating with Singapore's Land Transport Authority to establish advanced testing labs across the country. These labs will ensure that only certified high-quality materials are used in road construction in Ghana, and it will be resulting in durable, long-lasting roads that will withstand the test of time. This initiative will improve connectivity, reduce maintenance costs, and enhance the safety and efficiency of Ghana's transportation network. It's a forward-thinking approach to build infrastructure that will support economic growth and improve the quality of life in the country. At number 8, we have the development of a common payment platform for trade. In a bold move to boost trade between Africa and Asia, the central banks of Ghana and Singapore are collaborating to launch a common payment platform, and this is huge. It shows you the effort that went into these deals. The innovative system will facilitate seamless financial transactions, reducing costs and enhancing the efficiency of international commerce. And by bridging the gap between two dynamic regions, the platform will open new markets for Ghanaian businesses, attracting foreign investment and also strengthening economic ties with Asia. It's a revolutionary step towards positioning Ghana as a hub for global trade as well as a key partner, not just to Singapore. At number 9, the partnership will be pushing for the advancements in technical education. Technical and vocational education is a key to building a skilled workforce because not only theory will fix problems. Ghana, with this deal, is partnering with Singapore's Institute of Technology to establish a model Accra Institute of Technology as well. This institution will offer cutting-edge training programs tailored to the needs of modern industries, equipping young Ghanaians with the skills to thrive in a competitive global economy. And other technical schools will be learning from this school as well. And by fostering innovation and technical expertise, the project will empower Ghana's youth to drive industrial growth and positioning the country as a leader in technical education across Africa. Last but not the least, at number 10, this deal is revolving around pioneering carbon credits. Let me explain. Ghana is embracing sustainability through its bilateral carbon credit agreement with Singapore. The partnership will see the execution of projects that reduce carbon emissions, promoting renewable energy and also protecting the environment. That sums it up. By leveraging carbon credits, Ghana will attract green investments, creating jobs in sustainable industries and also contributing to the global climate goals. This forward-thinking initiative positions Ghana as a leader in environmental stewardship, paving the way for a greener, more sustainable future for Africa. These 10 projects are to show you that Ghana's President John Mahama's visit to Singapore has set Ghana on a transformative path, with these 10 deals unlocking unprecedented opportunities for growth and development. From revolutionizing agriculture and education to modernizing infrastructure as well as embracing sustainability, Ghana is now poised to become Africa's new developmental hub, and if everything is followed to the latter, we are to see a rise in the country. These partnerships reflects a bold vision for a prosperous, innovative, and globally connected Ghana. What are your thoughts on these 10 deals between Ghana and Singapore, and how you think to be uplifting Ghana, the pros and cons? Let me know in the comment section below. Also, stay tuned for more updates as these projects come to life. I'll be bringing you live reports on all the happenings in Ghana. Be sure to smash the like button to support this channel, as well as share the content far and wide, Subscribe to this channel and turn on the post notifications if you haven't, so as to not miss any details on Ghana's developmental journey and all the insightful information I bring to you. Thank you, and on to the next video. Be sure to check this next video out.